I would like to thank our prominent leaders, Mr. Kiran Latkar from Pune, Mr. Francis Oliver from Shirsi, and Mr. Ganesh Hegde from Shumaga, who have given us an opportunity to present this. The presentations and discussions by the participants will be on NetSurf Biofit products covered in the languages of Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, and English. So please feel free to voice out your comments in any language that you are comfortable with. So I now hand over to Kaja Srinivas for the next event. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsha. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege to be in front of you this morning. We had a lovely session last week, and this is the second one that we are conducting. First of all, thank you all the participants who have come into this program. I promised you one thing, it'll be of a great value for everyone. Now, this program is into three parts. The first part will be taken by Naveen. Naveen is currently staying in Vizag. He works for a He's a software engineer, a techie, a very hardworking, intelligent, smart, and a shrewd businessman. That's the reason why he got into this business. He's connected, he is introduced by a lady called Usha Rani, who was my kindergarten classmate. And he wants to take this business a long way and in a big way too. Naveen would be touching the aspects of the agri and animal husbandry products. He would be talking about all the products which we use in the agricultural sector, the benefits, to its large extent, the uses of it, and how it is applied. He would be covering these aspects. The second part of the program would be on the business aspect. I will share my experience. I will give my thought process and my attitude towards this business on how to conduct business and what changes have to be made to move forward into this business. The third part of this program will be taken by Kantaraj. Let me give you a brief background of Kantaraj. He wears several hats. He is a textile engineer by qualification. He's a professor. He's an advocate. And he's a mentor. He does a lot of work. And he started working in a big way. He's created a team. He lives in Bangalore. And from Bangalore, he's working in other areas of Karnataka. Now, this program, Naveen would be taking slightly in Telugu, and most of it would be in English. I would be taking it in English and maybe Telugu. Then the third part, Kantaraj and his team would be conducting in Kannada and English, so that we cover 3 to 4 languages, and it would cover a large group of audience. So that is the best part of it. So now I will hand it over to Naveen and let Naveen take it forward. Naveen, I welcome you. Before I welcome you, I need to acknowledge our great masters. First is Kiran Latkar. So I do not know much about Kiran Latkar. All that I'm attracted to Kiran Latkar is he's a cap achiever. A cap achiever means he earns 16.2 lakhs every month. It's not an easy task. He is earning 16.2 lakhs every month. That means he's got a great metal. He is a metal like a gold standard. He is a gold standard in this team. We have to learn so many things from people like Kiran Latkar, so that we also grow to that level. He has put in a lot of hard work and came to this level. So we need not reinvent the wheel again. We can learn, we can get tips from him, and we can emulate him. The second person is Francis Oliver. He is also a cap achiever. Now, I really thank and acknowledge Kiran Latkar, Francis Oliver, and Ganesh Hegde. All these 3 people are our uplines. We fall under their team, and all the 3 people are cap achievers. That means they earn. I reiterate and insist so many times about 16.2 lakhs because I want everyone in our team to achieve that 16.2 lakhs every month. That would be a benchmark. That is what we are supposed to be achieving. And just imagine if everyone achieves that 16.2 lakhs, how would life be? What would be the quality of life for ourselves and for people around us? So that is the benchmark. Thank you once again. I thank Ganesh Hegde, Francis Oliver, and Kiran Latkar to be a part of this team and part of this program. Thank you once again for taking out time and being a part of it, part of this group. Okay, we will get all the support possible from these people. Thank you so much. Yes, Naveen, please take over.
Yeah. Hi everyone, good morning. Thanks for taking some of your time on Sunday, which usually you will spend with your family, and coming to this program and trying to achieve the goals what our network is doing and what you have set for goals for yourself. Before I start with the products, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to give an introduction about myself and about NetSurf. I know you are all the great people. You have joined long back with this team and you know multiple things about NetSurf. But however, I wanted to give some details on the high level basis. I don't take more time on the introduction. As Srinivas has given the introduction about me, he has covered most of the points about me. Thanks, Srinivas, for the intro. So just to give a brief thing, I'm Naveen. I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh, Chittoor district near to Tirupati. I born and brought up in a small village. I'm coming from a family background. Though I'm coming from family background, I have close association with the farmers, right? Actually, my dad is doing a jaggery business, and I used to go to jaggery farms. I have a close relationship with the farmers, how they deal the conventional methods, way of farming, right? So that's how I have grown up, and then I'm doing of them. I'm here today, and I wanted to just tell about NetSurf on high level. I believe everyone knows about NetSurf, right? The NetSurf company is a multi group of companies which has been formed. NetSurf itself is formed in 2000 and products from 2003. So as everyone know, our founder is Sujit Jain, and our director is Sanjay Malpani, and our CFO Dhanlakshmi Sriram. So they are all the great people. They have started with a big vision, right? Without any vision, no one can go into further steps. Without vision, you cannot achieve anything. You should be having some vision in such a way that it will help yourself, it will help the country, it will help our Mother Earth, right? So I see, I mean, after joining the team along with Srinivas, I myself has been improved a lot and understanding. I'm here for a cause on the earth, right? I mean, without a cause, no one is here. Everyone has their own cause. You have to live. You have to identify what is the cause. Basically, so NetSurf in a way, it is serving the nation, not only the nation, to the Mother Earth as well, by producing the quality products. Okay, and last year it has gone to 250 crores turnover, and we have 412 crores turnover we are achieving, and the next year target we are doing for 750 crores. So that's the spirit, that is the vision what NetSurf management is currently looking for, and we are all here to achieve that targets. Without this network chain, without everyone's contribution, this is not so easy. All backbone for the team is ourselves, like a party, right? Like a political party, whoever karyakartas are there, because of them only the party will grow. In the same way, even NetSurf is growing because of all our contributions. So everyone is important in this one, and I need to explain about more about NetSurf. Like, this is the first company which is directly selling the direct selling strategy what they are following, and as Harsha and Srinivas has mentioned me to go about on the biofit products on the farming. So before touching on the products, one more point I want to discuss, that is about the organic farming. The conventional farming everyone is doing, right? Then why this organic farming has come into picture? The organic farming actually it has evolution. It came in the year of 1900s, early 1900s, and it effectively started from 1925 with the certification, and 1940 organic farming has come into a boom because of so many challenges, so many issues happening with the conventional methods what everyone is doing, because of the fertilizers, because of the pesticides, because of the chemical products, whatever you are using today, everything is impacting our mother earth, our soil. Because of that, you have to remember everyone is part of nature, including me, including everyone, whoever it is on the earth. We are also part of nature. Whatever the way the farms are growing, whatever the items, things we are feeding them or we are giving them, the same thing even we also inculcate, right? From them only, whatever you eat, that is what you are today. So I closely relate with the farming as our own self, right? I am also one of the plant on the earth, but I have a little more brain more than the plant. That is what the exact differentiation what I can feel, because from the day fertile happen in mother womb to the born and to the growing stage, and you become elder, and then you are giving some explanation. I mean, you are helping others. The same way, even the farming, I relate our life structure, right? Our life cycle with the farming cycle as well. So why organic farming, right? Organic farming, it promotes poison-free farming. It is a natural farming, right? You won't go with the chemicals, okay? And it reduces farming cost and improves crop quality. Basically, nowadays we are lagging with the quality because of the adulteration food. It's not only with the dairy products, it is happening with the normal vegetables, fruits, everywhere. This is the major challenge everyone is farming. Everywhere it is happening. And because of these chemicals, our soil, whatever the land you are doing the farming, the soil is deteriorating day by day. Because of that, whatever the fruits or vegetables or the greens, whatever you are farming, those are not up to the quality. Because of that, it is a cycle. It is a chain of the cycle. Whatever the food you are taking, that impacts humans also. So if the food what you are eating is not good, ultimately automatically your health it will show impact on your health as well, right? You have diverse impacts on your health. So if you are doing the right thing in the basic itself, if you are whatever the farming methods you are following, whatever the way how you are enriching your farming, then your quality of life will improve. Okay, these are all the minimum basic reasons which I wanted to convey to all of you why organic farming. And then coming to why I'm stressing here on organic farming, NetSurf is a great company. As I mentioned earlier, they have chosen a right product in such a way that it can help all the human beings on the world, all the even Mother Earth, like, right? Even the water is polluted now, air is polluted, soil is polluted, everything is polluted. So whatever the initiative they have taken to come up with the organic products, those are really appreciable. I will start sharing my screen with the products, and then I will go ahead with the. Let me know once you see my screen. Okay.
Yes.
So
yes, it's visible.
For India, backbone is the farmers. We have a saying called Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. If there is no farmers, where we will get the feed? how you will be going to have your daily food. Without farmers, you cannot do anything. Now farmers are reducing, land costs are improving, and every day it is getting more and more, and the quality of food is deteriorating. Okay, so India is almost all based on agriculture. This is the biggest source for our income to India. And as I mentioned earlier, going with the conventional methods, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, fungicides, all these chemicals, because of that, there are multiple issues being happening, and the soil quality is getting deteriorated, and even health of the humans, health of us, it is being on toss nowadays. Okay, so these are all the disadvantages of using pesticides, and there will be a crop damage, and even there will be adverse effects to the human body, as well as the mental physicalness, mental strength, everything we are losing nowadays. Okay, so this is what because of all these things, there is a method, organic farming has come into picture. That is the reasons just now what I explained, why organic farming. So organic farming is a need of hour. Now everyone is looking for quality than the money, right? Even every person is ready to pay more and get a quality food, but not compromising on the health related things. Yeah. So as I mentioned, work with nature rather than against it. So if you help your nature, nature will help you. So along with organic farming, we are undergoing with more modern techniques to achieve more goals in order to improve our productivity, in order to have a more yield of our farming, whatever you are doing. It's like everyone on the ground, right, on the earth, everyone is doing for their survival. Even farmers, they are doing farming with a passion, along with for the survival, right? So this is the one of the reason where nowadays organic farming is came into a picture. So it doesn't mean that if you are doing organic farming, you are going back to the traditional methods, but you are using modern science. So you are merging our organic farming with modern science effectively to see the result, to yield the results, and we are benefiting it. And you all know how effective this system is nowadays, and the awareness has been increased drastically in the market as well as in the people, even the farmers also, because of this corporate world. The intensity of the quality has been gone into deeper into our minds. So these are all the things which I have touched upon earlier. Why organic farming? Increase long-term soil fertility. If soil is good, your yield will be good, your crops will be good, and we'll be not using any chemicals where pesticides and diseases. Those are the things which are harming our environment as well as to the humans. So we are avoiding that, and then as I mentioned, our environment, our air, water, everything is polluted. So with this organic farming, we keep clean water and air, everything is safe. And the quality food, what is the quality food? What do you mean by quality food? It is a nutrition food, and it will have all kind of nutritions which will help our human bodies, and even for even the cattle, animals, wherever, whatever we are feeding to animals. So if our body is nutrient, we are good, our mind is good, our body is good, our energy levels are good, and you can do wonders. So this is what earlier about NetSurf, first time in direct selling industry on the BioFit organic products from the BioFit range. So next we'll have organic products. To just touch base, 30 years of championship in delivering the 20 plus organic herbal biological products. And we have 3 manufacturing units with DSIR government approvals and tactical tie-ups with PSUs as well. And NetSurf is certified by ISO 9001 and 14001 and EcoCert as well. So just to explain about certifications, nowadays, until unless anything is certified, since the awareness has been improved in people, without certification, nothing is trusted. So our company is trustable, our products are trustable, and it has been proven. We have a labs as well, where research and development is taken care separately. So that is the way we are doing. It is a day-by-day improvement, which is taken care, where I will be going to explain. And we are proudly serving the clients nationwide for 30 years, including this Ajay Biotech, which has been formed in 1991, even though NetSurf is started in 2000. And Ajay Biotech is part of NetSurf now. So yeah, we are serving the nation with continuously from 30 years, and we are helping the nation as well. To just add on to it, the new products which has been come because of the COVID-19 situation, and there are the COVID self-care kits which has been introduced by My Labs. We are associated with My Labs in such a way that we can help the nation to minimize the impact of hospitals, and even the cost is reduced on the COVID self-care kits. So I think the products, NetSurf is trying to get those products as well into our inventory. It will be soon, we will have those into our inventory. So if you see here, we have multiple products, which I will go one by one from BioFit. There are so many things like Sheet, StreamReach, Bio 99, Wrap Up, Intact. There are so many products. I will explain product by product how it will be useful in each stage of our forming life cycle. Okay, so there is a revamp happened in BioFit products by NetSurf due to it is a change is inevitable, right? Every day you have to change your methods, your logic based on the current situation. Earlier, before COVID and after COVID, there are multiple opportunities has come in. Everyone has taken their opportunities. Even in this negative thing, people make it as a positive. Like they are gaining from the this one pandemic situation as well. They are gaining the things. So similarly, BioFit is ever changing, ever adapting. They always look for the new technologies. They always look for the new methods, whatever it is helping the nature, right? That is where in 2020 there was a huge revamp taken care by BioFit. So they have adopted a new cutting edge technology. So new cutting edge technology. I mean, I just wanted to give. I don't think so. Few of you know what is a cutting edge technology, and few they might be slightly knowing, and they don't have. Just I wanted to give a high level of information on cutting edge technology. If I give an example of a cricket, right? So Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, multiple people how they are batting, and the bowlers how they bowl it. But sometimes even they are very strong, they are doing practice. But if a new method comes in, they fail in doing that. If a new bowler comes and bowl to Virat Kohli with a new technique, he might not be able to defend that. So, and he sees the videos of the other bowler, which he is feeling tough, and he will understand what kind of bowling he is doing, and then he will prepare for it. Similarly, whatever the challenges farmers are facing, whatever the inputs our NetSurf is getting from farmers, they revamp, they understand what is the need of the customer. And then they will revamp the products in such a way that it will help to the end user. Okay. So that is where cutting edge technology comes into picture. It is including with artificial intelligence, with the new products, a new technology, and ensures that it is a data driven thing. We have each and every data, how it is happening on the NetSurf with NetSurf products. They collect the data and they will put into an artificial intelligence system and understand where is the problem going, and they will try to improvise the products. Okay, and enhances efficiency and reusability of the products. And then new features and benefits. Because of the new features, always there is a benefits, because that is where the technology been helping us in innovating good ideas, good solutions to the challenges we are facing. And it also having some flaws which were there and identified and fixed them as well. And there is a refreshed look, and external appearance has been changed to our containers. Earlier it was HDPE plastic bottles which they were using. Now we are using cap bottles. Even since it is a NetSurf is a multinational company, we are serving outside of India as well. We have to be intact with the international qualities. So the look and feel as well has been changed. So because of all this, right, if you're coming up with a new technology, new products, new enriching items, definitely there will be a added revenue. So there will be growth in your crop, there will be growth in your yield, and because of that, definitely your revenue or turnover will increase. At the same time, the farmers, they know the advantages of these products, and they will start buying our products. If you see last year, what is the turnover what we have gained, and the today's turnover, it is almost 100%. I mean, it is doubled our turnover. That means that awareness has been increased and usage has been increased. Shall I give a 2 minutes? I mean, not 2 minutes, a little pause here. If anyone has any questions here, I'm here to answer. Otherwise, I'll go with the products.
Yeah, please go ahead with the products, because we'll take the question and answer session at the end.
Okay, Srinivas, thank you. So the first product which I'm going to explain is about StimReach. So StimReach is basically, it's a, 1 minute, yeah. It usually uses in all the stages of the farming. You know, there are different stages. One is seed germination, another is vegetative growth, and flowering stage, and fruit stage. So StimReach will help you in, it has the potential plant growth regulators. It has a biostimulates which can help in each and every stage. So the first stage in seed germination, usually whatever the seeds you purchase for farming, right? Maybe all the 100% of seeds might not be turned up into the crops. There will be loss or damage of your seeds, whatever you are going to sow it, right? So our StimReach will help increase of converting the seeds to a crop 20 to 25%. Only without StimReach, there is a analysis has been done up to 70% crop formation is there, but with the StimReach, it has been increased to 95%. So there is a unique ratio of natural phytohormones. The hormones takes more priority for the plants. This helps in growing in each and every stage, and there is a higher efficiency and enhanced activity, improvement of plant immunity and stress resistance. So the way how, as I explained earlier, our life cycle is actually exactly intact with the plant's life cycle. The day you saw it, that means that fertility happens in mother womb. And from that moment itself, we take care of our mother with a good diet, good vitamins, good iron, good calcium, so many products, so many things, external things we used to give feed to mother. Similarly, you can compare with these products to our farming, to our plantation, right? So the advantages of Stimrich is higher yield from boosted crop growth and root to fruit development. I also can say when I read this statement, root to fruit development, right? I also can say that farm to fork, like from farming to fork, like before eating on the dining table, farm to fork, everything, the quality product what you wanted to have until it goes into your stomach, this Stimrich will help you. Okay. And the Stimrich dosage, we have to use 1 to 2 ml per liter. And then we can use a foliar spray and drenching methods to apply the Stimrich. And as I mentioned, seed germination, if you see here in my slide, it is 60 to 70% of germination was happening without Stimrich. And in the lab, it has been proven that the germination has been increased to 90 to 92%. You can see about 30% variation. Because of this, if you need to buy seeds outside, it is very costly. And the two organic seeds are very costly. If the germination is not properly happening, the amount, whatever you are spending, that will be waste. So the wastage, the waste, you are reducing the wastage here from the point one, from the day one with this Stimrich. And then the second stage is leaf stage, where I believe you would have heard about the leaf stage, where it is directly proportionate to your root development. So I can say, if I see about this, I got another example, like if your basement is good, your building will be strong. Similarly, if the roots are not good, your plant will not survive for a long time, right? So in 3 to 5 leaf stage, definitely your Stimrich can help. This is the where the second foliar spray you can apply to ensure that you get a white roots which will suck the water from the earth and send it to the branches and to the leaf. Okay. And the third one is vegetative growth. In this stage, what will happen for any plant? This is the right stage to have branches, leaves forming stage. The way how in mother womb our legs, limbs get starts, right? This is where the stage where you have to apply our Stimrich in the third stage. So it will provide you more branching and tillering of the crop. Okay. And then the fourth stage is a flowering stage. So I got another saying in Telugu, "Moodu puvulu or kayalu." If you see about it, if someone is good, if you're discussing about a rich person, if you ask how is he, then we'll say, what is him about? His life is going like 3 flowers and 6 fruits. That means that usually for a flower you'll get a fruit, but here for a flower you are getting double the fruit, 2 fruits. That means that you are good. I mean, you are, whatever the farming you are doing, you are enriching the farming with the good quality, good quantity as well. If you are not concentrating in this particular phase, right, you will be losing your fruits or whatever grains, whatever you are going to get. Absolutely, because there are so many challenges, environmental challenges we have nowadays. There are cyclones, there are earthquakes, there are multiple things. always these are the challenges in farming, where if rains are not coming in proper time, in flowering time, if rains comes, all the flowers will drop off. So ultimately will not have a good yield. If you see mangoes, it comes in the month of summer. In February, January, somewhere.
A small privilege. A small interruption. I think Naveen Jataru, just hurry up a little because there's time constraint.
Okay.
So just hurry up a little.
Sure. Yeah. So it will help us to have a multiple flower. I mean, the flower reduction will drop off here. So you will have a good number of flowers intact. And then the next stage is grain filling and fruit forming stage. So you will have a good forming, better quality yields will be available here. And then I will go with the Bio 99 product. Bio 99 product, it always helps you as a sticking agent. Whenever you apply any pesticides or any fungicides, herbicides, the quantity whatever you are applying, it might not be having the entire benefit of those to the plant, because if the sticking agent is not there, it will after spraying the product, it might get because of the gravity or because of the rain or whatever the situation, the droplets will come onto the earth and you cannot reap the benefits from this product. So on a high level, it will improve penetration of pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, and insecticides. So you have to apply Bio 99 and apply these pesticides. You can utilize 100% of these items. You can get the good yield from it and reduce evaporation rate and helps to control loss of nutrients, waters, and active ingredients of spray. So this Bio 99 product is compared with all BioFit products. It is eco-friendly, reduces expenses of pesticides. If you are not using Bio 99, you have to apply the pesticides, herbicides, fungicides multiple times. So this can avoid you cost what you are implementing to the crop side. And the dose has been explained in such a way that 5 ml per 15 liters, and you can use it as a foliar spray. So if you can see example here, a normal spray, and the droplets are there. It is not evenly spread across the leaves, but on the right side, if you see, sticking and uniform spray has been happened with the Bio 99 product. And then I will go with NPK. As everyone knows, for the plant, you should have nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in a ratio. That ratio should be adequate on the based on the soil, how it has to be. So this will has 18 kind of nutrients, which micronutrients, macronutrients, and secondary nutrients. These products will provide all the kind of nutrients which plant is eventually looking for. These are the added bacterial activity. Nutrients will add the bacterial activity. So advantages of NPK: improves soil fertility, so decreases fertilizer cost and increase profitability of farmers. And it's definitely promotes organic farming, which we are actually everyone looking nowadays. And the application, drip irrigation, drenching, and flood irrigation you can do. And 1 to 2 ml per liter and 1 liter each per 200 liter water per acre. Okay. And I will go with the next product, SHEAT, soil health enhancement technology. If your soil is good, the immunity system is good in your soil, automatically the plant will grow with the defensive system, where it will gain more immunity. So because of that, the SHEAT has to be used. Earlier, I have explained about StimReach. It is above the ground, and SHEAT is below the ground. So loading with it loaded with biostimulates, nutrients in available form for faster results. And it is also compatible with all the products. Okay. So it increases organic carbon level, bacteria activity within soil, improves physical, chemical, biology property and productivity of soils. So it is a bioavailability of, as I mentioned earlier, micro, macro nutrients are minerals from soil, develops a natural defense system. It promotes plant growth and development, ensures higher yield and good quality crops. And the dose is 1 to 2 ml per liter. So this also can be done by drip irrigation, drenching, flood irrigation. Then I will go with Intact. Intact improves herbal formulation with the various essential oils. It will have a neem oil and other essential oils. It enhances ovicidal, anti-feeding, and growth retardant. It is highly effective against all the pesticides, all the other chemicals. Okay, it is eco-friendly, effectively improves the soil. It is effectively soluble item, and there will be 2 ml per liter. Foliar spray has to be done. And then the next product is Wrap Up. This follows the nanotechnology, biopolymers, nanoparticles, and base products, increases effectivity. Cover all broad spectrum bacterial and fungal diseases. So this will help to avoid the fungal and bacterial diseases. Highly efficient antifungal and antibiotical agent, offers total protection for the entire crop with improved. It is like a fence when you are in a nation and your army is in the border. The same way, this Wrap Up will ensure that the fungicides, the germicides, those cannot impact either your soil or your crop. Okay, and preventing control of fungal and bacterial diseases does not obstruct respiration, transpiration of photosynthesis. This also can be done by foliar spray and soil application. It is 5 ml per liter, 1 liter per 200 liter water per acre. And in this slide, it is a high level for which kind of crop, what is the in each stage, how much quantity you have to use these products has been clearly mentioned. I think maybe Harsha can share this slide with all of you later. You can go through this. Since because of the time constraint, I want to take it a little first.
All these details we'll share again later on. It was a nice presentation, Naveen. I think certification all again, we have got one more participant over there. So we shall again give you an opportunity next time. Okay. This was very nice, wonderful. Thank you very much for your listening. It was your first attempt at BioFit presentation. We shall give you one more opportunity next time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, Kaja, over
thank you very much, Naveen. You've given glimpses of you've given a lot of inputs about the company, given a lot of inputs about the products, etc. For more details about the products, one could go through the brochures, one could go to the website, even your mobile app has a lot of details, etc. And you can always contact your introducers. You can contact me, you can contact Naveen. You're free to contact anybody in the group. We have a group and you can post whatever your doubts are and they will be answered. Thank you once again, Naveen.
Thank you. Thanks, Srinivas.